And the task for today is a good old 1988 Chevrolet C1500. The issue is she turns over, but she will not start. So let's get to diagnosing. It seems whenever you turn her over, there's no gas getting into the bowl. It's also not lighting up the test light, which is an issue. The reason we're not getting gas is because something is causing the injectors to not spark, meaning the issue is no spark. This piece of the original TBI distributor went to crap, so we decided to replace the entire thing to save time. And that got her. She's back up and running, and that's another classic saved. Drop a follow for more.